On behalf of the local organizing committee for the OSN 2024 COALCITY, I wish to welcome all of you to Enugu in this August occasion. The conference promises to be a successful one, given the contents of what we have packaged for the participants. It also offers the opportunity to network with local and international participants, and it promises to be laden with innovative components, most especially the application and implications of artificial intelligence in ophthalmic practice. The Congress will be preceded by a workshop and hands-on training sessions. Then the main conference will start on the 4th to end on the 6th. And it's also activity laden, especially the presentation. Now, Enugu last hosted this conference 17 years ago, and we've been longing to have a second shot at this hosting. Thank God we are given the opportunity this year. So we have given it all, and all hands are on deck to make sure that the hosting will become a memorable event. Towards this, we've deployed all the resources available. So we hope to give you people your reward for the money and time you spend in participating in the conference. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you all at the conference.